Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to render in 3ds Max. Right, so first up, open up your project. As you can see here, I have two cameras set up. But if you want to, you can go ahead and choose to not use any camera. Just use your perspective view, okay, and use the angles right here. For example, you wanted to render this specific angle. So to render, first up, you'd need to select your renderer. Just click on this render setup icon, or you can go ahead and press F10 and you'll be able to see this specific window. And in here, just leave the target as is and preset. If you want to, you can go ahead and select from one of these options. Or if you have a preset from your workspace, you can go ahead and load it up right here. If not, you can choose a renderer from here. The free ones are from Arnold, Scanline, ART. If you want to use V-Ray, it is paid. Also Corona, okay, or the Corona renderer, it will be paid as well. So I'm just going to use Arnold right here just for this example. And then these tabs, as you can see, we have common, the renderer. You can choose from CPU to GPU, and some other options right here like adaptive sampling or progressive render. System right here, AOVs, diagnostics, and archive. And if I were you, I'm just going to leave all to default for now. If you're just testing out your render, and then go ahead and scroll down. Go ahead and select the area to render. So for example, we're just going to be using our viewports camera. Okay. View. Output size, HDTV. You can go ahead and select 1920 by 1080 right here. It could be 4K, 2K, or 720p. What's included in the render? You could add in a video color check, render to fields, render hidden geometry, and some other good stuff. Okay. And finally, just click on render, wait for it, and here we have it. As you can see, it's not the same because I'm using camera 2 right here. But when you go ahead and use your viewport camera, render and refresh render, wait a bit, and here you have it. It's the same as your viewports camera. Now you can just go ahead and hit on File, Export Arnold Scene, Save Image Options right here. 8 bits on or off, and then close this one, click on File, just click on Save Image, save it wherever you want. Let's say I'm going to save it on my desktop. Give it a file name, for example, sample render. Save. Close this one, close, check your desktop, and here you have your rendered file. Okay? And that is how easy it is to render in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.